I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust back door on Toyota Highlander, only way. Begin by opening the back door and supporting it with a prop or helper to avoid sudden drops. Inspect hinge bolts, striker alignment, and gas struts for wear or looseness, and note any irregular gaps. Use a socket to slightly loosen hinge bolts, adjust position slowly, and tighten bolts while checking door fitment repeatedly until the gap and latch engagement are correct. Check the latch operation by closing the door slowly and listening for smooth engagement. If misaligned, slightly loosen the striker bolts and shift the striker up, down, or sideways to achieve a consistent catch. Tighten bolts, test multiple times, and apply a small amount of thread locker if available to prevent movement. Replace worn components like the striker or latch if adjustments do not restore proper function, ensuring safe and reliable door closure. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful car maintenance tips. Also, quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while working on your vehicle, and the handy cap keeps tools and spills in check. Check the description for the link and other deals, and tell a friend if this helped you. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust rubber bump stops and weather stripping to eliminate rattles and seal gaps without stressing the door frame. Measure gaps visually, and with a thin feeler gauge, loosen hinge bolts as needed, and nudge the door incrementally for even spacing around the perimeter. Recheck alignment after tightening hardware and operate the door through full travel to confirm no binding or interference. Address gas strut weakness by replacing struts if they fail to support the door properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.